What's up, guys? We're BeautyLovesTech, and today we come to check out the beautiful Lalitta Cafe. With lush gardens, they even have a waterfall, so come along. We hope you've been enjoying our videos. We appreciate you watching and letting us take you along on our travels. So leave us a comment. Let's go in and check it out.
Get the ticket. 60 baht each.
Alright, let's go. A lot of people come to see this place. Wow, so nice in here. This place looks like a jungle. Tropical flowers and plants everywhere. It's nice.
This is a cafe. We want to check it out at Chiang Rai Lalitta Cafe. It looks like a dream.
Wow.
But a lot of people look so excited.
So many flowers here.
Like it?
Orchids, right?
Yeah, orchids.
Look at the
You like you're dreaming.
fog, the mist. It's so cool. So here we're walking into the bakery. Let's see what goodies they have in here.
They have coffee, they have drinks.
Looks good. Me like cakes. Oh, goodies, huh? They have coffee too. We're gonna get something here?
You can get the food over there. They have a restaurant over there.
Oh, a koi pond, huh?
A lot of food.
So nice.
So beautiful. Wow.
Let's go over here. Check it out. A lot of fog. A lot of fog, a lot of orchids. Let's see what's this way. Look at this fog. It's mystical. What do you call these? Lilies? Or yeah. Just all these flowers grow easy over here, huh?
Yeah, because they put a lot of moisture.
They put a lot of water and it's kind of naturally hot and humid. That's the end. All right. Let's go find some food, babe.
Yes, they go take the special popular place, the waterfall, the far water.
Okay.
And go enjoy, eat.
Finally, we're making our way to the waterfall. Waterfall must be this way. Oh, wow. Look at this. So beautiful. Oh my God. So pretty, huh?
Yeah. If you want, I recommend like early morning, early when they open and they're not too busy. Now they're busy, you have to take turns to take a picture.
Whoa. This one over there. We'll wait in line a minute to get to the waterfall. Amazing. Your favorite, huh?
Yeah, my
Orchids.
Favorite.
So pretty. Like this place, babe?
Wow, it's super nice cafe. Lalitta Cafe at Chiang Rai. I think the most popular.
So nice, huh? Look at our view. So nice. We're gonna get some food because I'm starving.
Super hungry. We're gonna try cow soy.
My favorite. I've been waiting for this.
Look at that. Cow soy, my sweetie. Latna.
My favorite.
My sweetie eats cow soy at
So
the
good.
Lalitta Cafe.
My favorite.
Take a view.
Toli's latna was very good, and my cow soy was super good with crispy noodles. This is my favorite. You have to try it when you come to Thailand. Wow, what is this? Which one?
Chiang Rai Lalitta.
Cartoon?
So cute.
It's cute, huh? What is this doing here?
Like a cute playground. The flower is so pretty.
So nice in here, huh? That's it for this video. Subscribe so we can see you in the next one. And don't forget to visit Lalitta Cafe next time you're in town.